Thinking about splurging on a Hilton Honors credit card? Let's break down whether the perks outweigh the costs in just 90 seconds. First, the big question: annual fees. Some Hilton cards have zero annual fees, while others can range from $95 to a whopping $450 or more. Decide what you're comfortable spending each year just to hold the card. Next, look at reward categories. Do you spend heavily on travel and dining? If so, cards with boosted points in those areas are a winner. But if you primarily use credit for everyday purchases, a no annual fee card with a decent earning rate might be a better fit. Consider the welcome bonus. Credit cards often dangle a large sum of points for meeting a spending threshold within the first few months. Calculate if these points are really worth the effort based on your actual spending habits. Don't overspend just for the bonus. A major perk is elite status. Holding a Hilton Honors card can automatically grant you silver, gold, or even diamond status, unlocking free upgrades, breakfast, and other valuable benefits. This can easily offset the annual fee if you frequently stay at Hilton properties. Finally, think about redemption options. Are you planning on using your points for hotel stays, or would you rather transfer them to airline partners? Hotel redemptions typically offer better value, so tailor your card choice to your preferred redemption method. So, is the Hilton Honors card worth it? It depends. Carefully weigh the annual fee, reward categories, welcome bonus, elite status benefits, and redemption options against your individual spending habits and travel style. Do your research to find the card that makes the most sense for you.